In this video, I will show you if you have Autocad drawings and you want to make 3D in the Revit. So before going to Revit, you have to make this drawing clean, remove dimension, each and everything. After that, you have to know this drawing in meter, millimeter or centimeter. Then you can open, this is Revit. If you have metric, so open here meter drawings. I will open the template. Once open template like this, just go in the insert. After insert, you have to go here, import AutoCAD. Just click here, and this is my drawings. This is my drawings name GF ground floor. I will bring this to the Revit and will make the 3D. So just insert, click here, then see where is your drawing. I will click on the desktop, then I will go to my drawings. This is my drawings. I click here. When I click here, this is showing me here. Then you have small setting. First, colors, okay, no need. Layers, no need. Here, import unit. So you have to select which you have unit. Must be you select. If you're drawing in centimeter, just centimeter. If millimeter, then have millimeter. So my drawing in meter, I will click in meter. Other side, you have to here must be choose center to center. I click center to center. Then if you have ground floor, choose level 1. If you have first floor, then you can choose level 2 like this. So then just click open. Drawing will be automatically see coming in the center. Now this layout came here like block. If you going there, they showing like block. So now you can, if it's very thin here, you see, click here. Now if you cannot see here, you can click uncheck and you can see your lines. So then you have to go in the architecture, click here wall. You can select here wall, any wall what you want, 200, and then you can draw your walls. After that you have to select here height. You have to connect it up to the level 2. Then you have to center line. Then see here automatically appear. Just click here and like drag mouse. It will be go like this, and you can draw your wall on the AutoCAD layout which you bring from the AutoCAD. Then again go here, select and draw walls here like this. You can draw all your walls ignoring the doors, because door you can select after that. If not coming there, select here and you can move this your walls to the up like this, and like using the from the keyboard arrow. So like this you can draw all your wall. If you want to see 3D, see, click here, is 3D coming here, and you can also draw your staircase wall. So like this you can bring any type of AutoCAD drawings in your Revit, and then you can make the 3D. And next video I will show you if you have already drawings in the Revit 2D or 3D, how you can bring this into the AutoCAD. So see you in the next video.